welcome to another MGI investing tutorial. This is Barrett, and today we're going to be looking at another stock analysis. So as you guys can see, I'm actually sitting outside. It's 11 in the morning, and I got my little shop open where I sell liquidated items, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. So I actually just purchased my next lot. I'm super excited and pumped about that. I will be picking it up probably sometime this week, but I'm probably going to buy a couple more lots before I go down there. It's about 2 hours away, so the drive isn't ideal, but I make it worth the money by buying multiple lots. So yeah, if you guys want to follow other ways on how to make money, definitely subscribe and just check out the other videos that I will be posting soon. So let's get right into it, guys. So one of the first things I want to look at here is not crude oil, but ADSK. And some of you guys might not be familiar with this company, but if we look here on the 1 year. So ADSK, it's a great company. What they do is they do software, and so it's basically like a cloud-based software company, similar to some other the cloud-based software companies that are getting more attention now. And actually, ADSK is down 4% today, but this morning, Citigroup actually released, they said they were going to start following ADSK with ratings, and they actually put it at a buy with a buy price of $210. So, yeah, they're bullish on it. That was when it was around $167 this morning, and now it's dropped to about 161. I think it did go to 160, but here looking at the 1 year, you guys can definitely see we've taken a bit of a drop here. We had just a peak of around 175, not the all-time high though of 178, and it just looks like ADSK doesn't move in any super dramatic ways, but when it does move, it's very easy to comprehend which way you think it might be going, how far it might be going, because we're always going slightly up is how I like to think of it. There's a slight uptrend to ADSK, and one of the things that I like to look at is now that this thing's starting to drop, I see a lot of value here. So value is basically when you're purchasing something for a better deal. So just for example, if someone's buying something for me that's normally $90, just because I sell it for $45 does not mean the item itself is not worth $90. So by the price of the stock, some people are getting a little bit more scared because it's actually dropping. We're getting a discount if you're actually coming in and buying it, because the stock, in my opinion, is actually worth more than where it is right now. So there's a little bit of a discount going on here. I see a lot of consolidation right here. This was in March, and I think this might be a level of support, and I would likely see, I would say around 154, 155, yeah. So we're at 161 right now. I would like to see how 155 is supported in this price drop, and depending on how it reacts, yeah, it'd definitely be my indication if I should actually buy in or if I should just stay away. Because if it breaks 155, I wouldn't this would be the next level of support right here at 149, just because, sorry about that. Yeah, around 149, because it was a resistance before, now it becomes a support. If we can support it at 149, I would see a lot of reason why it would be a support, because even over here, and this was last year, and I definitely would see a layer. This was resistance. It broke the support, and then we have another resistance right here. More support. It's just all the way around here. From 148 to 155, I would like to see it hold at 155 first. And yeah, depending on what ADSK does, I think I could be a buyer. And because of Citigroup's new rating of $210, and they said they're going to start following ADSK now, so that's good that more companies are coming in and saying they're going to be watching it and putting out their buy rating or sell neutral ratings. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.